Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, we have discussed one example related to the ring counter and we found that it is a mod 2 ring counter. In this video, I want to discuss another ring counter so that you will understand the concept in a better way. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. Now if you look at, I have taken 3 D flip-flops such as D0, D1 and D2. What is the meaning of this D0, D1 and D2? This is the MSB and this is the LSB. Is it clear? That is what I want to point out. So you have Q2, Q1 and Q0, and then you have the D2, D1 and D0. This Q2, Q0, Q1, Q0 are the present states, and you have the Q2N, Q1N and Q0N are the next states. Okay, now we will see what will happen. Now first what I have to do, I have to take the inputs for the present state. What will be the present states of each flip-flop? If you have 3 flip-flops or 3 Q2, Q1 and Q0, you will have 8 combinations of the inputs such as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Similarly, you will have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Are you able to understand it or not? Now, let's look at this ring counter. It is saying that from Q0 you are getting the D1. So, Q0 is equal to D1. So, take the D1. Where is the D1? Is the D1 is this one. Am I right? You fill the corresponding values of Q0. What is Q0? Which is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Similarly, if you look at it, D2 is equal to Q1. D2 is equal to Q1, which is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Similarly, D0 is equal to Q2. What is Q2? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that will be come to the D0. Are you able to understand? I hope you got how I got the D2, D1 and D0 values. Now we will find it out, the Q2N and Q1N and Q0N. Now if you look at it, Q0N meaning is the next state. The next state of this flip-flop will depend on the D0. As it is a D flip-flop, whatever the D value, you will get the next value of the Q0. Am I right or wrong? Already in the last video I have discussed. Is it clear with the truth table? Even if you still have a doubt, you can check it, the characteristic equation of the D flip-flop, which will be Qn plus 1 is equal to D. Meaning is that the next state of the D flip-flop will be equal to the value which is there in the D. Okay. Now, so D0 is equal to Q0N. Am I right? Or I can say that Q0N means the next state of this one will be D0. What is the D0? It is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So Q0N is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. I hope you have understood. Similarly, the next state of this one is equal to D1. What is this D1? 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Is it clear? Similarly, Q2N, next state of this one is equal to D2. What is D2 here? Which is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Am I right or wrong? So we got the present state and the next state of each flip-flop. Now we will check what is happening with this one. Now if you look at it, 0, 0, I will make it as a decimal number. What is 0, 0, 0? Is 0. From 0, you are going to what? 0 only. So write it. 0 to you are going to 0 only. From 0, 0, 1, which is 1. From 1, where you are going? You are going to 2. Your next state is 2. From 2, where you are going? You are going to 4. From 2 to you are going to 4. Because this is 1, 0, 0, which is 4. Now take from 4 where you are going. You are going to 0, 0, 1, which is 1. From 4 you are going back to 1. Okay. Now from 1 where you are going? Again 2. Am I right or wrong? Now let's see. From 3 where you are going? Because the remaining states are 3. From 3, if you look at it, from 3 I am going to 6. Okay. From 6 where you are going? You are going to, this is 5. From 6 you are going to 5. From 5 where you are going? 5 you are going to 3. Are you able to understand it or not? So what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 where you are going? From 7 to 7 only you are going. So if you look at the present states and the next state, from 0 you are going to 0. From 1 you are going to 2. From 2 you are going to 4. From 4 you are going back to 1. Similarly, from 3 you are going to 6. From 6 you are going to 5. From 5 you are going to 3. And from 7 to you are going to 7 itself. So now if you see that anyone, this one or this one, I can say that it is a mod 3 counter. Why? From 1 you are going to 2. From 2 you are going to 4. From 4 again you are going back to 1. So the number of states here is 3. So this one I can call it as a mod 3 ring counter. Now from these two, even in the last example we have discussed about the mod 2 ring counter. In this example I have discussed about the mod 3 ring counter. Am I right or wrong? Now if you look at it, the mod 2 ring counter and mod 3 ring counter, if you have n flip-flops, if you see it here we have 3D flip-flops, so we got the mod 3 ring counter. In the previous example we have taken 2D flip-flops and it is acting as a mod 2 ring counter. If you take n flip-flops, then you will get the mod n ring counter. Is it clear? I hope you have understood the concepts which I have discussed in this video. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.